Everyone is tired of ads. Like, we can't even open any website or app without being bombarded with them. They make pages load slower, they waste your data, and some even contain malware that can compromise your phone and steal your information. But thankfully, there are tools out there that can help, and one of them is NextDNS. This tool basically acts like a filter for your internet traffic, and it blocks ad requests at the DNS level before they can even load. This reduces your data usage, helps pages load faster, and it really improves your privacy and security. Today, I'll be showing you how to set it up on both iOS and Android phones. So how do you get started? It's a very simple process, right? First, you'll need to head over to the NextDNS website. You can find the link in my description. Then sign up. You can actually use it without an account, but I recommend creating one so that your settings are saved permanently. Also, they do have a paid plan, but the free plan is usually enough for most users, and that's what I personally use. So once you're logged in, go to privacy, hit block lists, and add as many as you want. Just be careful here though, because some of them can be very aggressive. These 3 should be enough for most people. That's NextDNS ads and trackers block list, that was a mouthful, Steven Black, and Add Guard Mobile Ads filter. Add those 3 and you should be good. Now let's connect it to your iPhone. Go to the App Store and download the NextDNS app. Then open the app, go to settings, turn on use custom configuration, and then paste in your configuration ID from the website. You'll find it in the setup section right here. Now you're going to go to your iPhone settings app, then general, and scroll all the way down to VPN and device management. Then just click on DNS, select NextDNS, and you're done. Now to set it up on an Android phone, simply go to settings, search for private DNS and click on it. Then select the private DNS provider hostname option. Now you're going to go back to the website and copy this host name from the setup section, then paste it in your settings app and save. And that is all. From that moment on, all websites and in-app ads on your phone will be completely blocked. Just make sure to refresh any apps and websites that you've previously opened, and the ads should all be gone. NextDNS can also be set up on your PC or your Mac by following the instructions on their website. It's pretty straightforward as well. Keep in mind that NextDNS is not just for ad blocking. It can also block certain websites like adult content and gambling sites, as well as some apps or games, especially if you have children. You can go to the parental control tab on the website to explore and customize those restrictions to your heart's content. And that's it. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss what's coming. My name is Tolu, your neighborhood Texas, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.